Check your credit report online with Equifax. Want to see your full credit report in just minutes? Here's how to check it online with Equifax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access your Equifax credit report online so you can review your history and stay in control of your credit. Step 1. Visit the official Equifax website at equifax.com. Step 2. Hover over Personal in the menu, then click on STRA Free Credit Report. Step 3. Click Get My Free Credit Report and create an account or sign in. Step 4. Enter your personal details like your name, date of birth, social security number, and current address. Step 5. Answer the security questions correctly to verify your identity. Step 6. Once you're in, you can view, download, or print your full Equifax credit report instantly. Quick tip: review your report for any errors or unfamiliar accounts. Early detection can prevent identity theft. Found this helpful? Give it a like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and leave a comment if you want guides on TransUnion or Experian next. Thanks.